Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to start by opening Find My Now and selecting your AirPods from devices. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are on so your phone can communicate with the case or a single bud. If the missing AirPod last reported a location, note it on the map. That gives you a head start. If you see no location found, keep Find My open and move closer to where you last used them, because proximity improves the chance of a live signal. Once you've selected the AirPod, tap play sound to have the connected bud emit a tone. You'll hear it if it's nearby. If only one AirPod connects, use the map's proximity cues and walk slowly around the last known area, watching for the distance circle to shrink. Check likely hiding places as you move, purse compartments, jacket pockets, between couch cushions, because sounds reflect and can be muffled by fabric, so listen carefully and retrace steps methodically. If you still can't locate the other AirPod, bring the case and both your devices together and attempt a repair. Sometimes a quick reset forces a reconnection. Make sure the missing bud's battery and charging contacts aren't obstructed. Clean them gently with a dry cloth, because poor contact prevents detection. If all else fails, enable Lost Mode in Find My and contact Apple support for replacement options. This protects your device and gives you next steps to replace the single AirPod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.